Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you on how to make egg roll. It's a very delicious recipe that you can make for your family during breakfast, and I promise you're gonna love it. So we're going to start off by boiling eggs. As you can see, you need to remove the eggshell, and we are going to peel some potatoes. Of course you need to have Irish potato. It's amazing because mine are already yellow, so the recipe is going to come out very delicious and lovable. So these are also the other ingredients that we're going to need. You're going to need egg. Yeah, of course we are going to need some flour and corn flour as well, and egg, green pepper, onion, salt, and the potatoes that you saw me guys peeling. So we are going to start off by spicing up our potatoes before we put on boil. Just add some curry powder. If you have any spices that you desire, you can also add some black pepper, salt as well. So for me, I decided to go with some Reiko and curry powder, and that's it, you guys. So we are just going to cook it until it's ready, until it's very soft, because that's what makes the egg roll, the soft egg roll. So we are just going to put it in an empty saucepan or a bowl. Just add on your onions and of course some garlic. I forgot to mention garlic, you guys. So we are going to also add some green pepper as well, and of course that's it, some corn flour. Please don't forget corn flour. If you don't have corn flour, you can use flour. All purpose of flour can work. And of course we are going to smash this potato until it's all soft. Mix together and smash it. Yes, that's what we love. So guys, after all that is done, now our dough is ready. It's very soft. We are just going to put the boiled egg inside and roll it. That is what we call egg roll. I promise you're gonna love it, and it's very delicious for breakfast. Your family is going to love it. Try this recipe, it's very delicious, and let me know in the comment section down below what you think about my recipes, you guys. So make sure you roll it until it's circular form. It's very circular. And yeah, of course this is an egg roll, and we're just going to dip it in our corn flour. Always dip it in a corn flour, because if you don't, it's going to break when it's boiling, when it's cooking, right? So make sure you put it in the corn flour and it's hard a little bit. So guys, my egg roll are finally ready. I'm done dipping them into corn flour, and next is going to be egg. Yes, so we are just going to be heating our oil at a medium low heat. All right, so of course we are going to make some egg right here, and just dip it before we dip it into cooking oil. Alright you guys, so we are just going to put some pinch of salt in. As you can see, it depends on how many eggs you have made, and I also decided to put some curry powder. Of course I smash because we are going to be dipping all the egg roll inside here before we deep fry it. Alright, and if you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also share, like, and comment. It helps me to reach more and more people as I share more recipes with you. So we are just going to dip it into this egg and then put it into a cooking oil. Make sure you cook this egg roll until it's gold brown, right? Until it has that crispy. So guys, this is how my egg roll turned out. Let me know, do you like them?